Welcome to itdesk.tv. As I continue my journey into Python, I must tell you that I'm actually enjoying this language. I think this language is very intuitive. I think it's easy to understand. I'm coming from C#, C++, Visual Basic, Visual Studio. I'm coming from PHP, things like those. So this one is a real simple language, and I like the fact that it's very powerful. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to show you how we go about doing input validation, validating what someone gives to us through the system or through a program. I'm going to ask you for a number. When you give me the input, I need the program to check it to make sure it's a number. And if it's not a number, I want it to display an error message and tell you that you need to enter a number. And even if it is a number, I want the program to check and make sure that the number is greater than 0. This is how you do it, and it's not a lot of code. It's actually pretty simple. I'm going to see if I can focus now and just show you step by step how this is done. First thing we're going to do is create a while loop. So while this condition is true, I want to do this. I want to print. I'm going to say enter a number. Okay, that's what I'm doing. The number equal input. So what you just entered, I'm going to store it in a variable called num. Now I'm going to try what you just gave, and it's num is equal to int num. I'm converting what you gave into an integer to make sure it's a whole number, to put it back into the num variable. Okay? If it doesn't work, for whatever reason you never entered a number, it's going to throw this exception here that I'm about to give you right now. Okay? This is what I want you to see. I want it to print. Please enter a number. That's what I want it to do, tell you. And I don't want it to stop. I want the program to continue. Now if num is less than 1, that means, remember I said I don't want the number to be 0. I want it to be more than 0. If it's less than 1, that means it satisfied the first part, it's an integer. Then I want it to print this out for you. Please enter a number greater than 0. Okay, that looks good. I want it to continue. I don't want it to stop. And then when it gets here, I want it to break. Now, if everything checked out and there were no issues whatsoever, I just wanted to print this. The number you entered is, and I wanted to put this here, num. That should do it. In as little code as that, if this works according to what I think it should, then we should be fine. Enter a number. Sorry about that. 45. Number you entered is 45 and the program ends. Let's do it again. Enter a number. 45G. Please enter a number. 47K. Please enter a number. Chris. Enter a number. Timmy. Please enter a number. 7. The number you entered is 7. Now let's enter a number that's less than 1. That means It could be a negative number, -5. Let's do it. -5. Please enter a number greater than 0. So the program is working great. Let's enter a number, 1. Number you entered is 1. So this is working exactly as it's supposed to. Okay? And this is Python, and this is why I like Python now. I'm liking Python. I think I'm going to do more programs in Python going forward, and you'll be here for the ride. Let's keep doing this. And if you have any questions on Python or anything that you'd like me to cover, please feel free to put it in the comments. Remember to like, share, and subscribe as we grow this channel together. itdesk.tv, unlocking doors.